I can't wait to show you this amazing home, which boasts 3 bedrooms plus an optional bedroom, 3 baths here in San Diego. Jarrod Norris here with the Whissel Realty Group. Here at my newest listing, I want to go show you some of my favorite features. Welcome to 5132 Sevilla Street, Santee, California. Located in one of the most sought-after communities of all of Santee here in Sky Ranch. This home has 3 bedrooms, an optional bedroom or office, 3 full baths, 20-foot ceilings, an open floor concept, a large loft, and beautiful west-facing views, perfect for enjoying those sunsets. At 2,884 square feet, this is a beauty. Such a gorgeous home. For a private tour, give me a call at 619-206-8156 or email me, Jarrod@whisselrealty.com.